Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. First of all, let me congratulate to each and every one of the students who got shortlisted for the next round. Yes, guys, so TCS Ninja has been declared for the 2022 batch and the students had started getting results. Don't worry if you haven't received your result in now. Soon you will be receiving yours as well. So it's a good news for all the students that now the result has been declared and TCS is continuously sending the selection mails to all selected students, right? So congratulations, guys. Just now you are few steps away from your journey to get placed in the TCS. So we'll be discussing what next you have to do and what sort of strategies you can follow so that you can ace your interview as well, and finally you can get the selection in your dream company, that is TCS. First of all, before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, this channel will be very helpful for your placement preparation. So do subscribe this channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from the channel itself. Well, guys, most of you just do ask me regarding the courses and all stuff. So let me tell you know that, right? Geeks for Geeks is one of the amazing platform providing lots of courses for your placement preparation, for DSA, for competitive programming. So if you are looking for any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks, just use the coupon code study with Soumya. Every character should be in capital, and even the coupon code is present in the description itself. So use that coupon code and you will be getting 10% off on their courses. So use the coupon code and start learning, guys. So first of all, again, congratulations to all the students. Now what is the next process? So next process will be your interview, that will be consisting of 3 rounds. What are those? Technical interview, right? Then managerial interview, then HR interview. So most probably you will be having all these 3 interview in just one batch itself. Like if talking about myself, so what was happened in just one call itself, all the 3 rounds were completed, and every round is like technical round and managerial round, they are elimination round, right? They are elimination round. So if you are not clearing the technical itself, you won't be moving to the managerial round. So don't underestimate any of the round. Each round has its own importance. Let me tell you, many friends of mine even got rejected from the managerial itself or even from the technical itself. So don't underestimate any round. Managerial is also sort of technical round itself, so don't think that it is a very special or something else round. It's just a sort of a technical round itself. Some cases can be there that they can give you scenario based problem, and this case is possible, but it is also a technical round. Now if you have been moved to the HR one, then 99% your chances of selection or of getting placed in TCS is there, because HR is just a normal basic round, so most probably you will be selected. But in technical managerial, you have to take care of the things, right? So for technical, most probably for the interview itself, they also started they'll be sending you mail itself that okay, when your interview will be scheduled. So just keep patient, right? This is the time you have to keep patience, because for me, if I'm talking about, so I got the mail for the technical round after 1 month of getting selection mail. Yes, even I was very worried, very nervous, but guys, have patience. If you have received the selection mail, 101% you will be having your technical round, no matter after how many days. This can't be predicted. Some can have after few days later itself, like maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Yeah, this can be a probability, this can be a possibility for sure. But it's like if you have received the selection mail, then for sure you will be getting the technical round mail as well. So just you have to keep patience, keep preparing the things, right? And what sort of questions will be asked in your technical interview, each and every video I have already made for yourself, for you, right? This video will be very helpful for you. I have provided the video links even in the description itself, so you can check it from there. Start prior preparation, guys. Don't wait for the end time, don't wait for the time, don't wait for the selection, don't wait for the technical mail itself. Start your preparation right now, because you are just few steps away from your dream company to get placed in TCS. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Guys, keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye everyone. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.